Good morning, sir. Jai Swam Narayan.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Jai Swaminarayan.
Jai Swaminarayan. Good morning. Yes, hope you all got. Please mute for yourself. And one more thing, I need to see whether you completed any one of the question paper, yes or no. Just answer to my question.
Sir, we completed multiple choice questions, sir. You told only one mark.
Complete the first bit, one more questions, multiple choice questions. Yes, Kritik Tejas done the work and he forward the work also. I congratulate the boy. The God should give a good thing to him for his own interest. Fine. God bless you. Next thing. What about the remaining ones? I asked you to do only the first bit. Yes, okay. Happened is happened. Today I am giving the time. You need to complete basic and standard multiple choice questions. Now you can start it. Hope you all got, I think. You need to start multiple choice questions. Start writing now. That is only today's work today.
Sir, basic and standard, sir.
Yeah. If those who completed basics, they can go for the standard.
Okay, sir.
Sir, we should write in class also.
Yes. Already the question paper is given for you. Already I forward the question paper, I think.
Sir, we should do all 1 mark questions, sir.
Only one more question. Only one more questions. That is MCQ questions only.
Sir, send in math group.
Yes, yes. After completing, send in math group. Please mute for yourself.
Sir, we have to complete total PDF, sir.
How many are there? Multiple questions, how many will be there?
22, sir.
22 you need to complete.
Sir, we should write question or no, sir?
No need to write the question, beta. Just write only the answer. Because I have the question paper, so I will go through it. Just write down the consent answer. But don't share the answers. Don't share to other people. The thing is, I want only the answer, but the way of
Sir,
solving
only 1 mark MCQ questions only we should write, sir.
only MCQ questions only. I'm asking to do only MCQ.
Other questions are also there, no, sir, for 1 mark. Like
Beta?
1 mark question except MCQ, there are some other also, sir.
No problem, no problem. Today you practice the MCQ questions. Tomorrow I will share a little bit all the chapters 1 mark questions again as a part of a MCQ. Then you will do tomorrow. Because now you are going to write only bit paper now. So we will practice based on that one.
Sir, 17th question to 20th question we have MCQ, sir.
Okay, then write on 17th to 22.
17th to 20, sir.
20.
Sir, 1 mark questions or MCQ questions, sir? We wrote all 1 mark questions.
How many MCQ questions are there?
17th to 20.
17. That is overall 6.
20 out of 20 questions.
Up to 17, you are having 1 mark questions.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes, sir. Up to 17,
So
1
I'm
mark
not
questions.
asking about 1 mark questions now. I'm asking only MCQ questions. How many? If it is 5 also, you need to write 5. If it is also 10 also, you need to write 10. Only MCQ questions of standard and basic.
Means only 4, sir. In basic.
Then write down. Write down the answer clearly and write down the bit. I want only that. I don't want more than that. అంటే ఆ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ కూడా మీరు బుక్ లో చూడలేదు అన్నమాట పిల్లలు. సర్లేండి, ఓకే, ఎంజాయ్ ద హాలిడేస్ నా, లివ్ ఇట్, నథింగ్ మేక్స్ ఎ ప్రాబ్లం. నౌ యు డు.
Total 20 questions are there, sir, in basic one. Multiple choice.
ఓకే ఓకే బేటా, ఓకే బేటా.
Sir, no, we have to write only 17th question, sir.
Yes, only 17 beta.
Sir, MCQ question, sir, basic 17 to 20, in standard 17 to 20 is there.
Okay, okay.
Sir, we have to write only MCQ question, sir.
Sir, we have to write this in classwork, sir.
From 16th question onwards, you are having this choose the correct answers and MCQ questions.
Seventeenth one, sir. 16th one.
16th one, see the 16th question in basic, probability of an event plus probability of the event not E is dash. That is the choose the correct answer. That is the fill in the blank. Nothing is a problem there.
Sir, we have to write in classwork, sir.
So no. So you need to do that.
But in standard, then 17 the problem from legal issue 17.
Yeah, I did not saw the standard paper. I saw the paper of this one. So my sincere request, do for basics from 16th question onwards. The answer is very easy now. The fill in the blank. That is equals to 1.
Extra one.
Answers.
Just you need to write the answers. And here you are having from 17th one. Okay, fine. Finish off it. Don't forget.